Well, what if I told you the real winners online right now are in their 50s, their 60s, and even in their 70s? No gimmicks, just real money with affiliate marketing. If you're tired of feeling like the digital world has passed you by, this video is your comeback moment. Today, we're diving into how seniors are not just watching YouTube, but earning from it. And before you say, hey, I'm not tech savvy, well, let me stop you right there. You don't need to be a wizard to make affiliate marketing work. You need a voice, a little time, and a hobby. Does that sound good? Affiliate Marketing 101 without the jargon. Let me break it down in plain English. Affiliate marketing is when you recommend a product online, and if someone buys it, you get paid. Your living room has no inventory, no customer service, or shipping boxes. Amazon does the work, Walmart does the job, and hundreds of companies will gladly pay you to bring them customers. Think about it for a minute. You always recommend things to your friends, don't you? Your favorite coffee maker, a book that changed your life, pain relief socks that really work. Imagine you got a few bucks every time someone acted on that suggestion. That's affiliate marketing. Why seniors have the edge. Number two, let's be real here. People trust people who've lived a little. You've got stories, insights, and voice that cuts through all that noise. And you're not just chasing trends, you're offering value. You know what works and what's a scam. You don't overpromise, you build absolute trust, and that's what people are craving online. You already have a Facebook profile, a phone, and some free time. That's really all you need to do to start. Affiliate marketing isn't about being loud, it's about being authentic. And seniors, you're some of the most authentic folks out there. How to start from scratch. So let's say you're ready. Here's a simple 4-step plan to get you rolling. Step 1, choose a topic you care about. You got gardening, traveling, cooking for two, joint pain remedies, crafts, you name it. Step 2, join a free affiliate program like Amazon Associates. Hey, it only takes about 5 minutes to sign up. Step 3, start sharing your thoughts. You can do it in a YouTube video, even film it on your phone. A Facebook post, a blog. Well, hey, you know what? The blog, we'll talk about that in another video. Or even a simple email to friends. Step 4, get your link. When someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission, anywhere from 4 to 40%, depending on the company. You don't need to go viral. You don't need 100 million followers. You need the right message for the right person.